Hi guys, it's Amber. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're gonna be playing a new game, Garten of BanBan. I'm not sure if I'm saying the right word, extremely, but yeah. I will be playing more horror new games or creepy games, extremely. So that's only gonna be on my channel, extremely. I try to do reactions, but I'm just running out of ideas, and plus, mostly YouTube actually calls me out of actually mostly saying I'm copywriting too much. So I was like, I guess video games could just probably be a bonus for me, since YouTube doesn't really get after my ass for copyright for it. And if I like this game, I might actually play the rest of them, extremely. Even though I know they have like 7 chapters of these games, extremely. So if I like it so far, I might end up making a part. I might end up actually playing the game 2, extremely. Chapter 2. Oh, I freaking knocked down the trash can. Okay, where do we go? Oh. Do we just find these batteries? And I know this video is not going to be that long, extremely. Well, just depends. If I don't die a few times. Because this game is not really that long. I heard. Come on, hit it. Oh, okay. There we go. Okay, I think I need to hit this one too. No. Yay! Okay. Now what do we do? What are you looking at? Seriously? Okay, that was weird. Sounds like a text. I had to get something for that. Where did we go? It's just knocking. It's just knocking down the furniture, okay. Okay. Do we just find these eggs? Hey. I saw you. Stop pretending like you're a statue. I know you're pretending. You don't hear me, but I know you hear me. I wonder if I can actually knock this thing with it. come on, where the hell is it? Forget it. This thing kind of reminds me of Poppy Playtime, but except it's not like... Probably got inspired by Poppy Playtime, whoever was the creator created this game. But it seems not that bad. It seems interesting. I wouldn't mind giving it a chance. If I like this game so far, I might play the chapters of them. Because I know that they have like 7 chapters of these games. There's the egg. How many eggs do we have to collect? I wonder if I can slide down here. I can't slide down. Seriously, I can't bend down. The hell with it. I wonder if I could slide down this one. Whee! Wow, I did! That's cool. I think this is the final egg. How did I not see that? Wait, how many eggs was that? Six eggs. I don't remember how many eggs I had. Dang it, I forgot. Can I squid down? Nope. Yep. Oh! Oh, there's the egg. How many? This is the final egg. How did I not see that? Wait, how many eggs was that? Six eggs. I don't remember how many eggs I had. Dang it, I forgot. Squid down. Nope. Yep. There we go. Oh! Oh, there's the egg. How many eggs is that left now? Oh, there it is. Alright, finally. I was like, where the hell is the eggs at? Alright, that's gotta be the last one. Oh, yep. It's a yellow one, and I'm wondering. Okay, it don't make sense. I have the fucking chip. I don't know why it's not letting me. Unless I'm doing something wrong. Oh! I didn't take it! Okay, okay. Now I felt like a dumbass. I thought I took it. Okay. That was ridiculous. There you go. Squeeze right through that. Oh, I thought that thing was moving. I was like, what the hell? Okay, here we go. Damn, that's a long ass fall. Just imagine if I stepped, like, turned a different direction, guaranteed I'll die. What the hell? Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Ah! Oh shit, I fell. Dang. I thought I could. Okay, that was weird. Okay. Oh god. The hell? Come on. Stupid thing. Oh god. Nice birdie. Oh. Oh god. I died. Dang it. It was gonna get to me. I was like, where the hell is my controller thing? Okay. Yes. Replay! God damn it. Finally you came. Honestly. It's like, where the hell are you? I'm trying to call you. Come on! Get your ass over there. Come on! Oh god. Dang it. I should have jumped on time. Okay, I gotta jump on time. Okay. I had to wait for this stupid bird to nice birdie. Hurry up! Hurry up! Oh god. He's after my ass. After my ass. Shit. Come on, let's go. That way. Go over there. Over there. There. Come on. Over there. Come on. Thing hates me. Come on! Come on, over there. This thing is such an idiot. Over there. Come on. Now over there. Over there. Come on. There we go. I swear this technology is so worthless. Why on earth am I your pal? You don't even function right. Guess we go down. This thing is broken. Look at that. Falls off over there, probably. What the hell's going on? Oh! Ah! God! The hell? What just happened? What the hell was that? Okay. Alright, that was it for the first chapter. Okay. Yeah, I heard it was short extremely, so I think I will probably play the chapter 2 extremely pretty soon, so yeah, stay tuned for that. I'll actually probably just play the rest of the chapters extremely. I had to sit the feeling this was going to be a short video, but anyways, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification so you can keep up with every video I post, and make sure you put a like because it would just make my night extremely so much better. So I'll see you guys later on the next video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.